Good morning student. Welcome to the biology class. This video is the continuation videos of endocrine system. In the previous video we have studied about that the two endocrine gland, adrenal and pancreas, and in that video we are going to study about the next endocrine gland is the thyroid gland. Thyroid gland is present in front of the neck region, and in this video we are going to learn detailed study about that the thyroid gland. First of all, let us see what is the structure of thyroid gland. The thyroid gland is the bilobe structure, the two lobes. It is also the butterfly like shape. And the thyroid gland, it is present in between the larynx and trachea. Got it, student? What is the structure and location of thyroid gland? The thyroid gland is bilobe structure. It is also butterfly like shape structure, and the location, it is situated in the just front of the neck region and in between the larynx and trachea. Got it, student? It is the endocrine gland, and these glands secreted the two important hormone. One is the thyroxine, and another is the calcitonin. Two important hormones which is secreted by endocrine gland. Thyroxine hormones, it is detailed study in our syllabus, but is the calcitonin hormones, it is not in our syllabus. In that video we are going to detail study about the thyroxine hormone. Let us see the calcitonin. Calci means these hormones are maintain the calcium and phosphate level in our blood. Got it? What is the main function of calcitonin hormone? The calcitonin hormones are maintain the calcium and phosphate in our body. Got it? And the thyroxine hormone, it is very important, and we have studied the thyroxine hormones. It is maintain the basal metabolic activities in our body. Got it? What is the main function of thyroxine hormone? Thyroxine hormones, it regulate the basal metabolic activities. What is mean by basal metabolic activities, student? Basal metabolic activities means whatever activities like respiration, digestion, heart beating, walking, talking, eating, means whatever activity which is carried out, these activity is called as the basal metabolism, and these all activities in our body which is regulated by the thyroxine hormones. These hormone, it also regulate by the body temperature, growth of the body, ossification of the bone, and mental development of the body. What is, student? Thyroxine hormones which is secreted by the thyroid gland, and these thyroxine hormones regulate the basal metabolisms in our body. See, student, I told you, if any hormone which is hyposecretion, otherwise hypersecretion, both leads to the deficiency in our body, means both are create causes in our body. Let us see, the thyroxine hormones is not secreted properly, means it is a hypersecretion. It is also leads some disease, some condition, and oversecretion is also leads some disease. The thyroxine hormones, it is less secreted. Less means hyposecretion. The hyposecretion of thyroxine hormone is called as the hypothyroidisms, and the hypothyroidisms is leads to the three condition: simple goiter, cretinism, and myxedema. These three condition is created in our body if the thyroxine hormones is less secreted. Got it? See, student, the thyroxine hormones, this hormone is maintained in our body. It help of the iodine minerals. It regulate the thyroid gland to secretion of the thyroxine hormone. Got it? Iodine is the very important mineral which is required in body to maintaining the concentration of thyroxine hormone. Got it? First we see the simple goiter. Simple goiter means the condition which is found in both adult also, in children also. And what is the main symptoms? It is the enlarge of the neck region, swelling of the neck region, means this is the thyroid gland, and these thyroid glands are enlarged, swelling, and this condition is called as the simple goiter, and this condition is occur in both adult also and children also. Got it, student? And these conditions is occur if the thyroxine hormones is less secreted in our body. Next we see the cretinism. Cretinism and myxedema. Cretinism, this disease is occur in only children. Means what, student? If the children's the thyroid gland, it is not proper form in our body, in the children's body, that times the children's is suffering, the disease is called as the cretinism. And myxedema, this disease occur in adult. Means what happen? The thyroid gland is a proper formation in the adult, but less secretion of the thyroxine hormones in that body. That's why the adult is suffering from the myxedema. Let us see with the help of picture what is the condition of this. Condition is of the myxedema. Edema means what? The water level is increased in our body. This condition is of edema, means swelling. See, this is the swelling, means the water is contained in below the neck region, in the face. Myxedema, this condition, the person is like that. Means what happened? The water is retained in our body. Water is retained in the under the skin. What the condition is occur when the thyroid gland it less sufficient of the iodine minerals. That times the thyroid gland secreted the less amount of thyroxine hormones, and you know that the thyroxine hormones is regulate the basal metabolic activity. If it less secretion, the person become a sluggish. Means whatever metabolic activities is performing his body, it is in the very slowly. Because why? The rate of metabolic activity is less if the less secretion of thyroxine hormone. And the next condition is a cretinism. Cretinism, this condition is occur in the children. I told you in children the thyroid glands is the not proper formation, means there is no proper formation of thyroid gland, so the less secretion of thyroxine hormones. The thyroxine hormones is also maintain the body growth. If there is no thyroxine hormones is proper secretion, there is no growth of the children. The growth is a stunted growth, reduce the growth in function of many organs. Got it, student? What is the cretinism and myxedema? Myxedema, it is occur in the adult, and the cretinism, it is occur in the children. Myxedema means the thyroid glands have a proper in size but less secretion of thyroxine hormones, and cretinism, there is the no proper formation of thyroid glands, and these thyroid glands is a less secretion of thyroxine hormones. So in the children's there is the dwarfinisms. Dwarfinism means the height is the very less height. Got it, student? These three condition is occur in the hyposecretion, insufficient secretion of thyroxine hormone. And next is the hypersecretion of thyroxine hormones. If the hypersecretion, the main function of thyroxine hormone is regulate the basal metabolic activity. If the thyroxine hormones is the more secretion of thyroxine hormone, what happens? The rate of metabolic activity is very high, means large amount of energy is used, the person become very weak means the increase the metabolic rate, rapid the heartbeat, and the shortness of breath means most of the energies are used for the metabolic activities. So the person is become very weak, the bones are come out, and the eyes are protruded means the eye ball is come out from the eye socket. It is also form the goiter in the neck region. This condition is occur in the hypersecretion or secretion of thyroxine hormone. Got it, student? Thyroid gland. Let us revise what is the thyroid gland. Thyroid gland, it is the bilobe structure, butterfly like structure. It is situated in the front neck region. It is present in between the larynx and trachea. The thyroxine hormones thyroid gland secreted the two hormones, thyroxine and calcitonin. Thyroxine hormones, main function of thyroxine hormone is regulate the basal metabolic activities in our body. If the hyposecretion both leads the some diseases. The thyroxine hormones is under secretion. The three conditions occur in the person. Simple goiter, it's a swelling in the neck region. Cretinism, this condition is occur in the small children. This condition, the children is the dwarfism, retardedness of the mental activities, and the myxedema. This condition is affect on the adult. The person become very sluggish, swelling on the face, neck. Got it? In the oversecretion, it leads to the exothalamic goiter. Exothalamic goiter means what? The increase the metabolic rate. So large amount of energy is used to metabolic activities. The person is become very weak and form the goiter in the neck region. Got it, student? What is mean by thyroid gland and what is the function of thyroid gland? In the next video I will explain you the last endocrine gland is the pituitary gland. Thank you.